This real estate advantage property video is presented by Heidi Brooks. Open house Sunday 7/28, 11 to 1 p.m. Discover your dream home by Chautauqua Lake, located within the coveted Bemus Point School District. This versatile property is ideal for both a year-round residence and a vacation getaway, and it is zoned for short-term rentals, making it a fantastic investment opportunity. The first floor boasts 2 cozy bedrooms and a full bath, alongside a spacious kitchen that seamlessly flows into the dining and living areas, highlighted by stunning tongue and groove vaulted ceilings. Enjoy breathtaking views of Chautauqua Lake from the heated sunporch, perfect for relaxing year-round. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms with a private balcony, a generous den/sitting area, and another full bath. The large deck outside is perfect for entertaining and soaking in the stunning sunsets. Additional features include a loft overlooking the main living space, a large attached 2-car garage, a 60-feet dock with a platform T, a UV water treatment system, and more. Plus, enjoy the convenience of BPU utilities. This home truly checks all the boxes. For more information,